In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove file from folder in Google Drive. Start by opening Google in your web browser. At the top right, click the grid, the app launcher with small squares. From that menu, choose Drive to open Google Drive. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so you can access your files. Once Drive loads, open the folder that currently contains the file you want to remove. You can double-click the folder name to enter it. Now, to take a file out of this folder without deleting it, hover over the file and click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. In that menu, select Organize. This opens the Move window, which is where you choose where the file should live next. Click Move, then browse to the location you want. If your goal is simply to take the file out of the current folder and place it at the top level of My Drive, select My Drive so the folder path at the top reflects that destination. As you click around, watch the path update to confirm you're targeting the right spot. When you're ready, click Move, and then click Move again to confirm. Google Drive will remove the file from the original folder and place it in the location you selected. If you don't immediately see it, try refreshing the page or switching to the destination you chose. If the More Actions menu doesn't show, Organize right away, scroll within the menu. It's near the top on desktop. In the Move window, you can use the search field to quickly jump to a folder by name, and the small back arrow to go up one level if you need to reach My Drive. Take a moment to verify the destination shown in the path before confirming. It helps avoid misplaced files, especially when you're working across multiple shared folders. On shared drives, your ability to move files can depend on your access level, so if Move is grayed out, you may need permission. There's also another way to remove a file from a folder. You can send it to the trash. Select the file, then click the trash bin icon at the top. This removes the file from the folder and places it in trash for a limited time in case you change your mind. You can restore it from trash to bring it back, or empty the trash to delete it permanently. Keep in mind, if you're dealing with shared files, deleting something you own may affect others' access, while deleting a file you don't own generally removes it only from your drive. That's it. Use Organize and Move when you want to relocate a file without deleting it, or use the trash icon when you're finished with it entirely. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.